2 holes in that wood. I cut it shorter because it worked out where the brace is. It's better to have shorter pieces anyway. So I put double-sided tape on there. Okay, we see where I have the jig in place to accept the chopsticks on the top and the bottom. And the bottom is left free to slide, so I can push this part up. Okay. Okay, so the brace now is on the inside over here, pushing up right here, and this C-clamp is pushing down here with very, very lightly. Actually, you could probably just about pull that C-clamp off there with a little bit of pressure. We only want really the weight of the C-clamp because this is already pretty solid right here. Just making sure these 2 halves are like this. This half here is being pushed up, this half being pushed down, so that they come together like this.